Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to show you guys a little bead haul that I got from Beebeecraft, and it's kind of funny how this happened. I was contacted on Instagram by a subscriber, and she told me that she loved my mala tutorials, and she wanted to know if I've ever made a Tantric Mala because she wanted a tutorial on it. And so I'm like, well, Tantric Mala, I haven't heard of that one before. And so I went and did research, and oh my gosh, a Tantric Mala is so gorgeous. It's probably the prettiest mala that I have seen, and I really love it because it's kind of a weaving project. Instead of just a stringing project, you're actually weaving your string material through multiple beads, and so it's amazing. Anyways, she asked me to do a tutorial, and so I did research on it. And I thought, wait a second, 416 beads to make this mala? I don't have 416 beads of the same beads in gemstone beads. I have some glass beads, like I have a check fire polish, but a lot of people are using gemstones, and I always feel like malas are best with gemstones because they supposedly have energy in the crystals, some people believe. But, and so I'm like, I don't have the beads to do it. I have to buy beads. And then I remembered Beebeecraft. They are the best place to go. That's where I always go to do the mala designs and rosary designs, because they have like wholesale beads where you can get like 5 strands of the same beads, 10 strands, and the really good affordable prices. And so, like, I think it was the same day, later on that night, or maybe it was in the morning, I had saw it. I got an email from Beebeecraft, and they asked me if I wanted to work with them. I'm like, whoa, that is crazy. It's like when you're thinking of calling somebody and you're dialing their number and they call you as you're calling them. It was really strange. And so for this video, I'm going to show you some beads I got for this Tantric Mala. This design is so epic. I can't wait to show you guys. And I have to tell you, Beebeecraft is so awesome because I've worked with them in the past, and they've helped me a lot with my videos because they've offered me free materials for me to do tutorials for you guys. And even though I have a lot of beads that I've been beading for 28 years, there's things I still don't have, so I really appreciate them. And if you're a YouTuber and you have 100 subscribers or more, you can work with them. I will link down there below in the description bar the Beebeecraft YouTube program. Go contact them. They will send you materials for you to make videos with. That's how this works. They send you free stuff, and you just do videos with the stuff that they send you, and you just have like a little friendly partnership back and forth, and it will really help your channel out, because I know a lot of us, we can't afford to buy some of these products, you know, to do tutorials. So it's really awesome to have a company like Beebeecraft. So like I said, I will link their YouTube partnership down there below. Now, you do have to have 100 subscribers in order to work with them, which is not very much at all. Most people have like 100 subscribers. It's very easy to get 100 subscribers. Just go ask your friends and family to subscribe to you, and you'll get up there. So I am going to go over the beads that I got here, and I am going to link them down there below in the description bar. So you will see a link for Beebeecraft's website down there. You will see a link for the Beebeecraft YouTube program, and you're also going to see links to the 5 beads that I got here. They are so beautiful. But before I open this, I do want to let you guys know that Beebeecraft gave me a coupon code for 10% off your whole order, and the code is Beautiful Nights 20. So I will put the up on the screen now. Okay, so like I said, I will put links down there below in the description bar, and you will also see the coupon code down there, right? And if there's anything else I forgot about, you will see it all down there below in the description bar. Alrighty, so Beebeecraft said that I was allowed to have $50 in products, and there was this one. Well, there's 2. Yeah, there's 2 that I just had to have. And it kind of took me a while to make my order. And I was trying to make this order when the hurricane was coming. And so I didn't have much time to shop because I was preparing for the storm. But this one here is my favorite. Now this one was about 20 bucks, 19 something. And I have my phone over here because I forgot what it was called. It is called Natural Plum Blossom Tourmaline Bead Strands. It says faceted rondelle, 5 by 3.5 millimeter. So it's not 5 by 3, it's 5 by 3.5. So it's a kind of unusual. Yeah, and the hole size in it, which is something else I love about Beebeecraft. They tell you the whole size of a bead. That makes it so much easier to shop for beads when they tell you the whole size. There's not many places that do that. So the whole size of this is 0.9 millimeter. So if I wanted to, I could use my Chinese nylon knotting cord with this bead here. So yeah, but I'm not actually going to be using knotting cord. I'm going to be doing it a different way. So I was drooling on these last night. I just thought they were beautiful. I've always liked Tourmaline. It is kind of pricey though, and I barely have any of it in my stash. I really don't have much to make anything really, but it's just a few pieces. But oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I think I'll move these out of the frame because of the shiny bags. It makes the color dark and weird. So here they are. Look at this. Pinks and purples. Now it says that these are natural. They are just gorgeous. I saw these. I'm like, wow, that's pretty. It looks like rose quartz with ruby and amethyst and regular clear quartz, like all mixed together. And there's some unusual beads in here, like those. And I thought this would make a beautiful Tantric Mala. And if you guys are interested in Tantric Mala, you don't know what it is, just Google it. Go look it up because you will see them and they're just amazing. They're really beautiful. So I love that so much. Now you don't have to use all of the same beads to make it. There's a better view of it. You can do like 2 or 3 different beads. And it looks like you can do whatever color placement you want, really, from what I'm seeing. There's a lot of different ones. And by the way, like the regular 108 bead malas, those sell for a lot. I've seen them like for as low as 20, but they're pretty cheaply made. And I've seen them as high as a couple $100. The 108 bead malas. There was somebody that was actually selling them for like $1 bead. It was $108 for 108 bead mala. I kind of thought that was silly. And then what else? Oh, so when I looked up the Tantric Malas, I saw the lowest one at 168, and I saw them go up as high as like $500 depending on what they're made with. So they're very pricey. Okay. And this one here was the other one I wanted really bad. For some reason I wanted Citrine. I love Citrine. Long time back I got 8mm Citrine gemstones, and I got 2 strands of them, and then when I had an idea to make something with them, I didn't have enough beads, so I was really bummed. But I don't have enough for a mala. But oh my gosh, I should make a rosary with a Citrine. That's what I should do with them. They were really pretty. They're very clear Citrine beads that I have. See-through. So here they are. And these have an orange thread inside of them, so they might look a little different when I go to put them onto a different string material, but oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Now this is a different size. I want to say that it was 3 by 5 or 3 by 4 millimeters, something like that. You'll see it down there below in the description bar. And I forgot how much this one was. There's 10 strands here, by the way. This one had 5 strands and this one has 10 strands. So this one has more than all the other ones, but I thought this was a really good deal. They're very gorgeous and very sparkly. My cat loves them. She was playing with them last night when I opened the package. They're so pretty. So this one here, I am thinking about mixing this one with the Pyrite. This is the Pyrite. I have a large strand of Pyrite beads. I think they're like 12mm or 14mm. I got them from Hobby Lobby and clearance a couple years ago. They're so beautiful. And so I wanted to get them in a smaller size. And they had them. I couldn't believe it. I put it in and there it was. Look at those. Aren't they cool? These don't look as shiny as mine though. So I don't know if it changes like when you rub your skin on it, because I know, you know, like matte glass beads, they look better when your skin oils are on them, and even gemstones do, so that might be it. Like it might get shinier as I touch it. And you know what's strange is pyrite is also known as fool's gold, right? And I think it's also known as marcasite, right, in jewelry. And when I open these, I can smell the metallicness on the bead. Like, have you ever smelt change? Like, my family thinks I'm weird because I can smell some things that they can't smell. And it's kind of going off topic here. But one time when I was like, I think I was 16, I had my little brother. He was in the back of my bicycle, and he had one of those little toddler seats, and I was riding the bike with him on the back, and all of a sudden I was hit in the head really hard, and it made me swerve. I'm like, oh my gosh, I almost fell off the bike. What was that? So I put my hand on my head. I'm like, man, that hurt. And I kept going, and I went home, and I'm like, I was riding my bike and something hit me on the head. It hit me so hard it made me swerve. And my uncle was at the house, and he started laughing at me, and he told me there was bird poop on my head. And so that made a lot of sense. It was a vulture. There was a whole bunch of vultures in this one yard, and when I looked up I saw the birds, but I didn't think that it had crapped on my head because there was a big tree that I was going beside. But yeah, so I smelt that crap, and it did not smell good, and people think I'm weird because I could smell bird crap, but bird crap stinks too, okay? So anyways, this smelled metallic to it. There's a metallic smell to it, and I've never noticed that before, but this is the most I've ever had at one time, so it's really cool. Do you think this bead is interesting? I like pyrite more than hematite. It's so unusual looking, amazing color, so I hope you guys enjoyed my funny story. And I've actually been crapped on by birds on my head 3 times in my life. I don't know how that's even possible. It's like someone being hit by lightning multiple times or something. But yeah, anyways, poop happens, you know. So this one here, this was really affordable. I think this was $5. This one was really affordable too. But that's crazy. That's like $1 a strand. And if I were to go somewhere else, it would probably be $5 for one strand of this. Now this is cherry quartz, but cherry quartz is not actually gemstone. It is man-made glass, but man is it beautiful. I used cherry quartz in that one rosary that I made, and I just thought it was breathtaking. I loved it so much. So I want to use these with this, but they also look good with this, right? So if I do 2 different beads, I kind of want to make a mala, a tantric mala that has only these in it with seed beads as the fillers, but I kind of like these together and these together. I feel like all the beads that I got kind of look good together. Now the last one I got is amethyst. I've always wanted 4mm amethyst. I don't have it in my stash. I mostly have 6mm. But these are not tied together. I did tie these together. They were all untied, but I forgot to do this one. So there's 5 strands here. They're 4mm. And they are amazing quality. Look at how beautiful they are. And they all have very nice center drilled holes. So some, you know, times when we get round beads, the hole will be crooked. These are not like that. They are very perfect. As you can see, they are so beautiful. So, again, I want to make a mala with these 2 mixed together. What was the first time I'm saying this? These 2 mixed together. I love these 2 together. I want to make a mala with these 2 together. So I might make 3 different ones. So this might be by itself. Or I might mix it with these. Or these 2. And I definitely want these 2 together. So I'll see what I could do. I'm very excited about it, and I can't wait to work on it, and hopefully I will have time because I have a lot of stuff that's going to be coming in, and I will be very busy. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm not in the frame, or am I? What do you think? And question, what colors do you want me to mix together? Let me know. Do you want me to mix these 2 together? Do you want to see these 2 together? These 2 together? Let me know down in the comments. Also, these are pretty together. These are pretty together. Just different things I can do here. And again, I will link all of these down there below in the description bar. And also, I'm going to link, like, you know how when you go and search for something online, I'm going to put the filters up that I went through to find what I needed to make this. Now, I am using 4mm beads, but you can use 8mm and 6mm to do this. And like I said, if you don't have 416 of the same, you can use 2 different kinds of beads. But it's up to you. There's different options, and I'll go over that in the tutorial. But this was so awesome. I cannot wait to work on it. So again, I'm going to link the beads down below. You'll see them down there below. And I'm going to link a filter of what I went through for your options on beads you can get, because there's a lot to choose from. You will be shopping for hours on Beebeecraft because they have so much stuff to offer now and really good prices. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, and don't forget, there's a coupon. I have a coupon code. That's right. The coupon code is BeautifulNights20. I will list that down below, and it will get you 10% off your whole order. Alright, so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and X. Thanks for watching.